Tasha, how you doing back there? Yes, we're doing good on the fishing. Oh! She does not like the milkman. You see what she just did? Yeah, she thinks it's funny. That means she's crazy. Good morning, everyone. No time to talk. We're going to get our fishing supplies, get some coffee real quick here, and head on out. We'll see you in the boat. Go stop recording. We are at the boat. She had to go get her life jacket. She forgot it. In Mississippi, state law says you need a life jacket. So we did park the boat right here last night so we could just jump on in. We just camped right over there about 100 feet so we can hurry up and get in the water. Had to go see Luna last night just to check on her. I was really nervous about her because she's broody and she's not eating much and she's really just barely picking at food and water. She can get malnutrition, so I wanted to go back and check on her. I was going to collect eggs tomorrow, well tonight, but I went ahead and did last night and she's doing okay. So I feel a lot better now. Now I can catch some fish. That's probably why yesterday I was just worried about my Luna and I couldn't catch any fish. So we're all good today. Wasn't get out here about 7:30 or so because we didn't get to sleep till probably midnight, and the night before I didn't get about 4 or 5 hours sleep. But we got out at 6 a.m. So let's get in the boat and catch some of these fish. Okay, I think we have some potential here. We see something fighting. Hopefully it's not a snake fighting the fish again on there. I see it. Don't look too big. Okay, folks. Grab them back. Next time, grow up a little bit. work out here, guys. Yeah, let's take this one. Yeah, back up. Okay, folks, we are just not doing so well today on this Lake Boudin Lake. We're not in the same area. I think we're like on the opposite side. We're on the little Catfish side. There's two sides, little and big, and we're not on the big. Well, we got plenty of worms though, thanks to Brandon. Yep. We're gonna have fish today, one way or the other. I already talked to Tasha about it. We're gonna catch some fish, or we're gonna catch some fish. But I can't catch fish when I'm over here talking. I can. Yes, I can. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. You go back. Good, you good. Folks, we have dinner tonight. I'm not sure about Tasha, but I have dinner tonight. Where? We can go check while we're over here. We checked all the noodles. We got a few fish. I mean the yo-yos. We got a few fish. We are going back to recheck the ones we just put out. Then go back and get some nutrition in this so we can actually catch some bigger fish. What it is, they're probably eating breakfast or just waking up, and we're just not in the right time. It's all. It's not about the wet water. The water's not too wet right now. I think it's just perfect. Moisture content is very, very, very much where we want it at. It is kind of wavy and a little cloudy, so they might be bipolar. But we're going to check these, go eat, and then come back out. And hopefully we have even more fish. I don't know. We got a fish on there already?
Oh, is that the yo-yo by the water?
I just yo-yo by the water. And I've been putting some of the yo-yos up way too high, and I'm going to say, yes, I did. It's my fault. But I learned from my mistakes. Some people are audio, some people are visual. I'm a visual guy, okay? Hands on. So I need to make a mistake. I need to understand properly, okay? You're gonna hit that tree. Hey, George of the jungle. See what I did there? Okay. We're just driving right now. We're taxiing. There's the driver. She's the master operator of the boat. I am the master baiter. I am really good at baiting. So, college, that's a joke. People said something about associate's degree. What if you go extended college degree of baiting worms? You're a master baiter. I'm over here enjoying myself. Tasha just doesn't pay me any attention. Do you?
I hear you.
She's used to nonsense. She's used to nonsense coming out my mouth. So it's just an everyday thing for her. But we'll get into eating, and we'll maybe get some videos of her cooking some freaking pork fat. God sweat. Some grease. That's bacon grease. God sweat. Okay. See you at the campfire. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, we're out here, guys. It is freaking hot already. Hot already. I got my Gilligan's Island hat on. Special hat. So we'll combat the heat and get these fish. This one's got tripped but there's nothing on it. Huh? Okay, set it and forget it. Ron Popeil yo-yos.
You said it.
Tasha, how you doing back there? Yes, we're doing good on the fishing. Oh. She does not like the milkman. You see what she just did? Yeah, she thinks it's funny. That means she's crazy. No, I just did that because I was setting it up for that. I was getting the catfish in with this, and then the barb freaking just stabbed me. Shivved me. They call it shiv now. Not a shank, a shiv.
Stab yourself.
I stabbed myself with a catfish, guys. It's rough work. Someone's got to do it. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay.
Ain't got no gift branches to hang it on, huh?
Over and out. GoPro, stop recording. Hey, our hour-long fishing trip's over. Did pretty good. Probably got about 4 catfish, some nice-sized catfish. So we're gonna head on in, take a nap, refresh, and probably come get these yo-yos at the end of the day. And then maybe tomorrow, if it's not raining, do some noodle fishing and some regular old fishing pole fishing if we know how to do that still. Here we go. We got eggs. And surprisingly, there's no cheese in here. Well, we got cheese on our repurposed accordion fries.
Repurposed hash browns.
Repurposed. That's what you call it? Repurposed hash browns? No,
Yeah.
repurposed fries. We repurposed the fries.
Yeah, and made them into
With
hash
hash
browns.
browns. Okay. So the repurposed accordion fries. As they're disguised as hash browns today. With onions. Yes, and some diet onions, but I like some onions diet. If you didn't know, my grandmother says diet food because you burn the calories off. So I do have some diet bacon, just a little bit, but it's good.
Yeah, 1 piece is diet.
We forgot the ketchup, but I do have my Louisiana honey hot.
I might try it.
There you go. Little dollop. Another one. Catch the fish later. Okay. Then she'll give me the rest because she's not going to eat it all.
I may not
Whoops.
even eat all
I'll
of
eat
it.
that so the raccoon don't get that. Yeah, we had a raccoon last night. Ricky the raccoon.
Ricky was making a ruckus.
Really polite. Really polite though. It
Don't you eat that?
didn't tear anything up. Except that glove over there. Had
Yeah,
meat.
that glove that I used. I used a glove. I want to try some of that on.
Oh,
on
okay.
it. I used a glove to mix up the ground beef for the hamburgers. Just a little. That's it.
There's a little car.
Yeah, I'm sounding like you.
Yeah.
But yeah, I used a glove so that I wouldn't get my hands all nasty from raw meat to mix up the ground beef.
Okay, you got turkey bacon?
Yeah.
I got the good bacon.
No, my bacon ain't good. Now you want to talk trash?
Not as
about
good
it?
as this. No, I'm honest about that. It's healthy. More healthy. It tastes healthy. How about that?
Yeah, but pork bacon is really good.
These I think are better like this than they are yesterday.
With the onions and the.
Yeah, like crisp is crisp again. Maybe.
I like it.
Well, we're going out to fish in a little bit. Day is really good today. Wind's blowing.
Yeah, it feels good. It was supposed to storm, but the storm was like across the lake. It kind of passed by a little bit. It was thundering and everything. It started thundering and lightning last night.
Yeah, we put everything up last night because hers said we was going to rain. Mine said no.
Well, mine was saying it, and then as time went on, it started pushing it back and back.
Oh.
Because now it is supposed to rain today
Like 50.
or tomorrow or something. Yeah, it jumped up to like 50.
I'm going to be a weather person. Just say 50% of anything today. 50%. 50. But it's overcast. I'm not sure why they call it overcast, not an undercast. But it's an overcast today of clouds. 50% cloudy today. What's that?
Garlic butter seasoning.
Go ahead.
Oh, you like that?
Oh,
I don't think it's
yeah.
a very
Okay.
salty seasoning.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I'm going to start doing some Mr. Dash.
But this is what I use. It's really good in eggs and other stuff. But
Yeah, that's really good. I like that.
Dara bought me that.
Yeah.
Somebody
So
that he
thing that-
watches on YouTube or whatever cooks with it. So
Okay.
they got that one, and I got a Cajun one, and I got one that's like fish and something, like other stuff. But it's a pretty good seasoning.
Okay. Well,
Oh, and if you couldn't get it, it's called Sweet Smoky Joe. You can order it online.
let's see if they said just to keep this like this, like for a long time. Somebody said that's what we're not doing. And I'm
Oh.
like, sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. This is supposed to focus really quick like that. But actually, I got it where the ISO. See, I'm getting professional. The ISO is like the aperture of the lens is it's letting
More
Less-
light in or less?
maybe less light, so it's not as blurry. So it's actually getting everything. It's getting the tint too now, I think. I don't know. But I'm still learning, folks. Like fishing, still learning. I'm gonna get it one of these years. Okay.
I didn't get me anything to drink.
Did you want this water we got last night? Okay. We did get some ice from the house when we watched Luna. Told him you was worried about Luna, so we went up there.
Yeah, I was real worried about Luna, so I drove us home.
She was worried about me, worried about Luna. Yeah.
Yeah, because he was about to have a fit about his chicken. So I didn't want nothing to happen, and then he would have been like, I told you I wanted to check on her.
I know.
So,
That's why you did, because you feel guilty if something happened. You're like,
no,
you would never hear the end of it.
I feel like you felt something.
Felt some kind of way?
Yeah. So we was going to go check it out.
We did. I was happy. I thank you very much. And we'll see her again Sunday, so we'll skip a day and see her again, because I'm dropping the boat off. And then I'm going to pick up the trailer when we load it up on Monday and leave. Unless she says, you know what, I'm staying another day.
I got to work Tuesday.
Okay. Well, your office is right here. My office is here. This is my office. Okay.
And I got cookie orders to make.
Oh yeah, Stalker Cookies, people. That's on the website.
Yeah, I can't make those out here.
Huh? We could do a special camping if they put orders in before we go camping. We can. Nah, ain't gonna work out here like that. Okay, I could try to do a gooey butter cake on the fire. Woo! Somebody said White Castle, they do a stuffing. Did you ever see that video where somebody does a dressing or stuffing,
No.
whatever you call it? They use the burgers and poke holes in it and put the. I'm gonna try it. And I'm gonna do it with crystals because we don't have White Castles. But I'm gonna try the recipe. So if it, hopefully I forgot the screen name, but please email me and let me know that recipe. And I'm gonna do a cookie one. And I'm gonna try it out. And I'll shout them out because I got a program on my phone where I can filter the comments and I'll put stuffing White Castle and I'll see the screen name. But thank you, thanks for even bringing that up because I saw that before a while back on the internet and I forgot about trying it. So okay, well I'm gonna get to eating and get this all cleaned up, and then we're gonna head back out and check the yo-yos for some big fish. We already got some, so you're gonna get some fish tonight?
Well, maybe, I guess. Yeah.
Tonight or tomorrow. You hold your horses, people. Just keep watching. And then hiking trip soon. We're gonna do a hiking and camping. So we're gonna survival hiking, camping.
It better be cool outside, because being mucky and hot is not my ministry.
Well, then I might do another survival, but I already told them the second season's, well, it could be, it's season, so one a year would be a season, really, if you go by TV. But maybe I'll do it in fall, so it'll be 2. Then maybe back to back. Maybe I'll do another hiking, I got a special guest. See how it goes. Might be a hiking, what do they call that? When there's 2 types of things, a rescue or a retrieval. Retrievals.
Aren't both of those the same thing?
No, one of them's somebody's dead, and they're just going to get them. Recovery, yeah, recovery. Not like lizard leak towing, but it's a survival or recovery. It's not even funny. I'm just trying to make light of it because we don't want that to happen. If you see my survival videos though, and you're worried, you know I survived because I edited the video, or she might have edited the video.
Yeah.
We're going to get her to edit one of my videos and me edit it and put 2 of them out and see how they are.
It's going to be totally different.
Totally different. That's what she said, and nothing in there like that. Wow. Okay. Shut this off. All right. We just got back from fishing. I'm going to go ahead and go to the shower house and then lay in a hammock. Tasha is in the tent, and she's going to take a nap in there. It doesn't take her much to take a nap. When she's laying down, she passes out, and I have to unwind a little bit for me to take a shower over there, unwind, and then I'm going to get in the hammock and doze off. with that said, I am going to show you the fish later. I think when I'm try to do it before dark. Hopefully we can go out and come back and show you the fish before dark. If not, we got a light and we'll do it then. But relaxing time, folks, relaxing. It's a nice day. It's overcast. It is about 10 degrees at least cooler, and I'm just going to sleep in a hammock for a minute. I'm going to try, but if I'm not doing that, I'm going to meditate until I hear the chickens at the front door, my ring alarm. Okay. See ya later. Nothing else to say right now. Nothing else to say. As you can hear, yes, it is raining, so it put a little damper on some of our schedule, but I get to edit videos right now, so I'm not having any downtime. Tasha's in there sleeping. I'm not sure if she's still sleeping, but she's in the tent. It's water resistant in here, and the tent is as well. Hopefully it's not any puddles or anything in the tent, but we will see once this is all over. I think it's another hour, so it's been raining for about an hour, and so 2 hours total. Hopefully the boat is not too flooded. We'll just scoop some water out, but we will have to go get the yo-yos this evening and then cook with the fire. I'm pretty sure I can still get a fire going. It's going to be a little more difficult to do that now, but we will see what I can do. Other than that, I'll just talk to you later once the storm is over and I'm done doing some editing. So when Tasha gets up, we'll talk to her and see what we're going to really do. If we're going to jump right in the boat or if she's going to be hungry. Okay, Tasha is still asleep. My job, if I wish to accept, is to get this fire started so we can eat some fish tonight. It's still raining, still drizzling, so I'm waiting until that actually stops. It says any minute now. So I did put some sticks in the bottom. Put some pieces of sticks, like bigger pieces of sticks on the bottom, so it'll so the fire doesn't start on the muddy ground, and it'll be better off with that, with some airflow underneath. And then I'm going to shave some wood off. If you want to try to find some dry wood in a place where it's really damp, get a fallen log or something, chop it into 4, and all the insides of that is dry. I did start a little bit. See all those shavings? I did cut a little bit off so far just to get prepped, and I have some pieces here. All these are dry, so I'm going to keep it under this tarp, and then we're going to get a fire going. I'm going to tell you now, I can bet on me to get a fire going in the rain, okay? I will make sure it happens, because I got to keep the physique, okay? I got to keep that pretty physique. All this muscle needs freaking protein, some calories, vitamins, and everything. So omega-3 especially. So let me wait for this rain to stop, and I'll chop a little bit away for you and show you what I'm talking about. Chop away, not my weight or my muscle, of the wood, okay? Of the wood. Firewood, people, firewood. Grow up. PG. GoPro, stop recording. Hey, somebody's up. I went to sleep too. I would sleep in a hammock. Yeah, I took the hammock down because it started raining. But I woke up, yeah. I woke up right before it started raining. It was getting chilly, cold.
Yeah, I woke up and had to put cover on me.
Well, I started the camera because I didn't discuss her yet. Now, I don't know what we're going to do. I already told them we're going to go fishing, we're going to come back and cook. Then I got the live to do. So are we going to maybe cook fish tomorrow? Or just go get the yo-yos today?
We can.
And then just cook something else?
We can.
Because grease, fish, and skinning it, it's going to take some time.
Yeah,
So
I thought about that.
maybe lunchtime. You can see stuff in the daytime, like, you know, like 3 p.m. maybe or something. So you at least see everything in the daytime. So we'll figure something out for lunch, guys.
We just need to pour that water out on the fish and put fresh water on it.
Yeah.
That's it.
We have in those buckets there. But we'll do that, and I'm getting the fire started. I told them already. When we come back, I'm getting the fire started. I'm going to tell you right now. How am I going to do it, you say? She didn't. She's like, no, he's not. Okay, we're going to try to get the fire started later. Get it started. Okay, so, okay.
I guess you want me to do the cabbage and steaks and stuff today?
Sure, we can do cabbage and steaks. You're going to see some steaks. I think I have enough light for that. We got a campfire, so we're going to have to get light from the campfire tonight for the live and not use the regular lights. So that's the whole thing. Okay, let's get off here. I'm not going to bring the camera with me when we go get the fish. I'm not getting this right now. It's too much to do already, and there's probably a foot of water in there. So
yeah.
But okay, well, when we get back, we're gonna eat some steak or something. Okay, steak, cabbage, blah blah. She makes this really good cabbage. I guess we can can that stuff. We can jar it. Yeah, go with the stalker cookies.
I've never heard of that.
You can't.
Can and cabbage.
Chow chow. Chow chow's half cabbage. Like chow chow is cabbage, tomatoes and stuff.
I guess.
Yeah, you could can a finger if you want. That just came out, guys.
Yeah,
she's used to it's just whatever.
Biology class or something.
Yeah, you can can whatever. Don't do that. Don't can fingers.
Is
Okay.
rain coming?
No, it's the wind. It's the wind blowing the trees. Physics. Okay. Well, let's get this going, and we'll see you back here. Back here right now, later. You know what I'm talking about.
Cold.
Go post stop recording. There we got a little smoke here, guys. Started with just a little. You want to start with the little stuff, and I got it pyramided up like a teepee. But I got the little stuff on the bottom, and then I got the bigger stuff on top. So should go good. The smoke's actually going really good now without me messing with it. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Go get some more wood, and we're good to go. We're gonna be eating steaks. I think the menu she said is steaks. Carrots with brown sugar, I believe, and what else? Cabbage, and her special cabbage she makes. Well, let me get out the smoke because there's a lot of smoke, and oh yeah, it's about to be a fire.
That thing on that one, I can't do. half of it like this, and then I'm putting some seeds in there.
Okay.
I'm gonna chop up the bell pepper and put some in there.
I was gonna keep the same camera rolling and
Just chop it up. It's in here, but we're gonna try it today. I can't find the garlic powder right now.
it's in that gray thing.
Oh.
Get a close-up sexy one of that.
Coming back towards me. That's it.
Oh.
Yep, and I'm gonna turn them over and do the same thing.
Hey, just got done going live. It is about 10:30 or 11 right now, so we are going to bed. I just wanted to say good night and thank you guys for watching this vlog. Um, good night, Tasha, and we'll see you in the morning. So, thanks again. Hey, thanks for watching the video again. If you haven't visited my website yet, the address is www.DaGarbageDisposalStore.com. You can navigate through the top, all these links right here. There is actually a question and comment form. If you have any questions or comments, fill that out and it'll go straight to my email. At the very bottom, there is a free newsletter. Just sign up right here, and you'll get a weekly newsletter. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit see all so you get all the notifications and don't miss the videos. Please comment. I like to listen to your comments and respond to you, so I do like to interact with you guys. Please share the video with your friends, family, even your boss, and have a great day. Let's meet other plans.